tired of the 9-to-5 grind but feel like every side hustle is either too hard or a total scam? What if I told you the stupid simplest way to hit your first $1,000 month in 2026 doesn't involve crypto, dropshipping, or even showing your face? Today's challenge. Before we start, comment "ready" below if you're actually committed to making money this year. I'll be sending a special action guide to the first 50 people who engage. Meet Alex. He's a college student in Ohio. He tried everything, selling t-shirts, writing blogs, but made exactly $0. He followed the gurus and used AI to write a 50-page ebook on how to be happy. He spent weeks on it, uploaded it to Amazon, and crickets. Why? Because in 2026, no one wants a generic AI ebook. People are drowning in content. Alex was about to quit until he stumbled upon a secret positioning trick that changed everything. Alex realized people don't buy books, they buy solutions to annoying problems. He stopped looking at what he liked and started looking at what businesses were dying for. He found that thousands of new creators were struggling with one specific thing: writing high-converting viral hooks for TikTok. They didn't need a book on social media. They needed the actual scripts to go viral. That was his aha moment. Step 1 is finding a micro problem that is costing someone else time or money. Now the stupid simple part. Alex didn't write the scripts himself. He went to AI and used a master prompt. He said, "Write 25 viral TikTok hooks for the real estate niche that use psychological triggers." In 10 seconds, AI gave him pure gold. He didn't just sell raw text. He used a free Canva template to turn those 25 hooks into a real estate viral hook pack. He positioned it as a premium tool. He didn't sell a book for $20. He sold a growth kit for $9. This is exactly what Mark Tilbury calls positioning, selling the same info in a way that feels like a shortcut. Alex uploaded his PDF to Gumroad. To get traffic, he didn't spend a cent on ads. He went to Pinterest and posted simple aesthetic pins saying, "Stop struggling with your TikTok hooks. Use these 25 templates." One pin went viral. Within 48 hours, Alex woke up to $240 in his account. He didn't have to ship a product or talk to a customer. He just built the digital vending machine once, and it kept paying him. Alex hit his first $1,000 month not by working harder, but by solving a specific problem. Most of you will watch this and go back to scrolling, but if you're the 1% who wants freedom, start today. Question of the day. Do you want my personal list of the top 5 micro problems you can solve with AI right now? Comment "list" below. If we get 100 comments, I'll drop the link for free. Subscribe to Money Spark for the blueprint to 2026 wealth. I'll see you in the next one.